Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Google phone notification ringtone how to change. Friends, you don't want to use guys your Google phone guys phone notification ringtone guys, you want to change. So friend, how to change it today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friend, first of all guys, we will on guys our Google phone setting guys to change notification ringtone. After on phone setting guys, you can change guys your phone sound and vibration setting guys. So guys, we will on guys Google phone guys phone sound and vibration setting, then guys scroll it, and so you can see guys your phone notification sound guys, you can see guys the sound guys I have saved, but guys I want to change. So friends, you can see my sound. Friends, you have guys any notification guys your phone custom notification ringtone guys, you can set guys. You have guys your sound, you have download, and guys you don't have, so guys you will have to download. So as you can see guys, I don't have any custom notification ringtone. So guys I will change into my pixel notification sound guys, I will change from here. So example guys, I will take into guys this and note time and save option. So when this notification sound means notification ringtone will change friends, you can check the sound, and friends you want to change again, so guys you can change and you can save from here. So like that guys, this again get the notification ringtone will change. So friends, like that guys, you can change guys your Google phone guys phone notification ringtone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to change guys phone notification ringtone in Google phone device. So bye guys, we will meet on next video friends. Do you have any doubt guys, hit it to guys your phone guys phone notification ringtone setting guys. So friends, you can ask me comment section guys, I will check guys, I will help you. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video.